I am a big fan of grilling outdoors, smoking meat, and all of these things. So I recently got this off of Amazon because I've been wanting a griddle. I was going to look at some of the more expensive ones, and I was like, I don't want to spend that much money. I already got a nice grill here. So they had a couple different sizes. They had one that was a little bit longer, but if you look at my grill here, you can see there is a divider between the charcoal side and the propane side. So the best thing about this is this griddle has the ability to heat up from your propane underneath. So as you can see here, I got a couple of burgers on here. Hear that sizzle? Now the best part about it is I can just close this now and cook these, and it's going to cook. But what I like about it is I'm still getting that heat from the propane, which gives it a different flavor. I don't know why, but it just does. But check out that sizzle. Now, when this comes in the box, you get the actual griddle, and then you get these handles that aren't attached, but all you need is a crescent wrench or some pliers, and these are super easy to put on. All you do is put the handle through and then tighten the nuts down, one on each side. That is it. My favorite feature is once this starts to build up a bunch of gunk, I can scrape it off, just like they do in the restaurants, into this little drip tray, or scuzz tray, as you want to call it. A lot of people will use it as a drip tray. But I'm excited to actually use this for the first time. So if you guys are looking for other ways where you can actually keep yourself from having to buy a full-fledged griddle, especially if you're like me and you like cooking outdoors and using the smoke and the heat and the propane and the charcoal and all that good stuff, especially now that we're going in the spring. I'm going to make sure I'll link this down below, but super simple to put together. Like I said, 2 handles. All you do is set it on your grill, and you are good to go. Same way, let's turn these babies over here. Woo! And I love because the cooktop is like non-stick. I mean, look at this. It's like super slippery. So these have been cooking for a little bit, just to give you a little bit more regards to the grill. As you can see, I'm pulling all the grease into this little drip tray. This is an awesome feature. I love this part of it, because all this grease would be down in my grill and it would be flaming up, burning my hamburgers. Check that out. Now it is almost time for some cheese. I want to make sure that they're done. But again, not to beat a dead horse, guys. Excellent workmanship. Like I said, I saw 2 different sizes. They had this size, 18 inches or so, 22 inches, I can't remember off the top of my head, but they had one that was definitely longer that would have moved over onto this side, and I didn't want one that long. I wanted it big enough where I can put it right on this side where my propane is and cook what I need to cook. So, and one other great feature of this griddle is the fact that you can literally, once it cools off, because remember, these are going to be hot. Make sure you use oven mitts or something similar, gloves or something. But you can literally take this in the house, stick it in your sink, and wash it. I mean, you can't beat that, guys. So one last thing I wanted to show you before I jump off here is you can actually use this on your stovetop as well. Now, we have one of these kind of stovetops, but I don't see why you couldn't use gas, because the way this thing is made on the bottom, right now I have both burners on. Probably only needed the big one in the front here. But hey, just another option. You can use it in the house and then take it outside and bring it back in here, wash it in the sink, and you are good to go. 5 stars for me.